Hello, my name is Jackson, and today I'm going to walk you through how to bulk send merits by uploading a .csv spreadsheet file using Automate Merits. To begin, you need to make sure that you have a merit template created that corresponds to the merits that you would like to send out. You can see here that I have a merit template called Registered Nurse. I have selected the preference that recipients can only receive one merit from this template, and this template has the additional fields of license number, license status, issue date, and expiration date. You also need to have the data associated with the merits that you would like to send arranged in a .csv spreadsheet file. This can be done in any spreadsheet editor, such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. I am showing Google Sheets right now. Here, every column represents a data field, and every row represents a person who will be receiving this merit. All of the columns must have headers, and at a minimum, you must have columns for first name, last name, and email address. Include as additional columns the other fields. Any date fields must use the formatting shown here. 4 digits for the year, dash, 2 digits for the month, dash, and 2 digits for the day. Now that I have verified that my data is correct, I can save this as a .csv spreadsheet file. To begin the upload process, I'm going to go back into my merit organization portal and click on Automate Merits. Now I can click on Automate Merits to continue. Now I can configure the connector between my data source and my merit template. I'm going to choose Spreadsheet from my computer. I'm going to give this connector a name and description. Then click Next, Upload a File. Here I can upload my file by either clicking and browsing or dragging the file directly into the window. I'm going to drag it directly into the window. This will upload and analyze the file. When it's ready, it will tell me how many column headers the file has that can be mapped to merit template fields. Now I'll click Finish Creating Connector. I can see the connector that I just created on my list of connectors. It informs me that no merit template has been mapped to this connector yet. I will click Map a Template. From the drop-down menu under Select a Template, I will select which merit template I want to map to this file. Next, I will see a list of fields found on this merit template, shown on the left, which need to be mapped to columns from the spreadsheet, shown on the right. I will do this mapping with the various drop-downs. Now I will click Create Mapping. I can now see a success message telling me that the connector I just created has been mapped and is ready to be synced. So now I will click Sync. Doing so informs me that this action will send out merits to everyone in the spreadsheet and confirms that's what I want to do. It is, so I'm going to click Send Merits. It now tells me that my data is syncing. At this point, you're free to navigate away from this window. You will receive an email update when the process is complete. That email should look something like this. In this case, it tells me that 2 of the 3 merits were sent successfully, but 1 merit needs attention. I can click View Connector to see more details. This brings me back to the Automate Merits Connectors page, where it shows me I have a sync error associated with this connector. I can click on Sync Error to see more details. Here I have the option to download an error file. The error file will have the same column headers as your original spreadsheet with the addition of an errors column. It will only include the rows of your original spreadsheet that encountered some sort of sync error. Here it's telling me that the error is associated with the expiration date field and that it contains an invalid date. This is because June 31st does not exist. I can now open up my original file and find the row associated with the error, correct the error, and save the file. Now back on the Automate Merits page, we can click on Sync Error, then Resync. We can insert our updated file, which will then be analyzed. And we can click Send Merits and confirm. The connector will now display a syncing status. I then receive this email notifying me that some of the merits require my attention. I can download the error report to see more detail. And this error report tells me that the errors associated with these two rows are that I cannot send another registered nurse merit to this recipient, which makes sense because these are the two merit that were sent successfully the first time. And if I were to click on the Relationships tab, I can see the record of the 3 merits I just sent out. And that completes this walkthrough on how to send multiple merits via CSV upload using Automate Merits. If you would like to know more, you can visit us on the web at merits.com/knowledge or send us an email to help@merits.com. Thank you.